Welcome to this training video where we will take a look at the Microsoft Video Editor. Do you have a video that has much more footage than you need? Maybe it's 20 minutes long and you only need 30 seconds. Don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on video editing software and you have Windows 10? That's what we're going to take a look at today with Microsoft Video Editor. So from your Windows 10 computer, the bottom left-hand corner where the type here to search box is located, simply type in video and you should see the shortcut for the Video Editor app. Once you click on the shortcut, I'm going to unmaximize. You'll notice we have a new video project button. So we click that. Take us right inside where our project will have a name that we'll need to provide. It's going to call this Test 01, and directly here from within the project library you have the Add button. You can certainly click on that, locate the video files that you need to locate, video and photos, or you can simply locate the video. I have one here on the desktop. Just simply drag and drop that right into the project library. I'll go ahead, maximize the application. From within here, you'll have several options. You can see up top you can add background music, custom audio. Down below is your storyboard. This will be where you're going to want to add pictures, title cards, video, etc. that you're going to be working with. At the very first, if you want to give an introduction via a title, simply click on the Add Title Card, which we'll go ahead and do. You can see here at the bottom left, it is a title card and it lets you know the duration, which is 3 seconds long. Several things that you can do directly from here. I'm going to go ahead and right click and I will go to edit because I am wanting to edit the text. In the upper right hand corner where the text fields are, I'm just going to name this, we'll just call this Video Editor. Down below you can see the text style. You can certainly change that to whatever fits the style you are looking for. It's going to keep it simple. Then directly below that you'll be able to see the layout, whether you want it in the middle, the upper band, bottom, etc., like where it's at. And then right here, this will be your beginning start of text control and then the end of text control. If you wanted to modify that, you could do that right there to make a change within the length of time. And also, as far as some of the additional changes you can do is if you did not want the blue to be the very front card, click on the background tab and then select any color, any choice that you want to change it to. Go ahead, click done. So we now have a title card right in front. Let's click on the video we're wanting to trim and we can click it to highlight it, then click on place in storyboard, or you can simply drag and drop that right on top of one of the storyboard thumbnails. You can see to the right of that will be the placeholder for any other media that you're wanting to work with. After we have dragged that video onto the storyboard, I'm going to right click on it and you'll notice the options that you'll have specifically within the video. You can trim, you can split, and it'll be the exact same features or options that you have right here in the toolbar area. But I'm going to want to trim. So what I'm wanting to do is take this video, take certain segments of it, and instead of having it just all one video, I'm wanting to add some title cards in some different areas, go through and apply a couple different effects, etc. and just get a different feel rather than just the video as it currently is set up. So we have our pin seek. I'm going to go ahead and seek to the point where I want this video to stop. So what I'm wanting is just a quick demonstration of how to sign into the App Store, how to locate the app that we want. And then once I find it, okay, there we go. So we went past it. Wanting to get it to the point just before it begins. So I think that's there. So we have from the initial video all the way to the end. I'm going to go ahead and trim. So I'm going to click on that right side control. I'm going to drag that all the way to the pin. So we'll have the video as it began from the beginning, signing in, launching the App Store icon, searching for Microsoft. Once it lands on the Word app, then that's where I want that to stop. You can see the upper top toolbar, you'll have additional things that you can include within this video. If you wanted to add text, emotion, 3D effects, filters, etc., you can certainly apply that. Next, I want to go ahead and add another title card. You can simply click on the button. If you have the exact title card and you want it exactly or identical, or if you want to just make a couple changes, you can simply right click and then copy the title card, then press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste it. I'm going to put that after the video, and I'm going to drag and drop this back onto the storyboard. So this is the unedited video. The edited video is indicated right here by this thumbnail. Go ahead and I'm going to trim this. I want to seek this to get it just past Microsoft Word. See where it scrolls, and I want to show, let's go ahead and get it scrolling. So we'll go from Microsoft Word, and then wanting to trim off the first portion because I don't need that. I already have that in the prior video. Utilize that, and we'll take the pen to seek to get to the next app. So we have OneDrive, and I want to stop it just before it begins again. Scroll, go right back, take it there, get the end trim piece, slide that to the pin, just keep it as it is. We'll click done. So we have that. Now we know that that was OneDrive. So this title card, I'm going to want to edit the text that is in it. So we will go ahead and edit the text that is on this title card. Know that that was OneDrive, so let's just change title to OneDrive. And as far as the background color, let's go ahead and change that to pale red. Done. Okay, looks good. And just the same on through to the, say, the next portion of the video that we're looking for. We can go ahead, if we knew what was coming up next, which I believe is Excel, let's go ahead and make a change for that. So have Excel, and that one definitely, background needs to be green. Done. Drag and drop that full raw video back onto the timeline. Let's go ahead, select trim. Go ahead, get it just before. Let's actually take it instead. Let's go ahead and get it to the point where Excel is at. Get our beginning start of trim, slide that control over, and then just before it takes off, say right there, 26 seconds, slide that right there. Click done. And there we go. Now if we want to add background music, simply do that. Click on the background music. Let me turn down the volume here. And we'll click the background music option. Let's go to turn down the volume here. Don't want it to blast our ears. So you can simply click on any of the others to preview. Click on the play button. Whichever one you like. Definitely click the done button. And if you want it to sync to the music's beat, say sync your video to the music's beat, click that checkbox, click done. Any other additional things you want to do, you could certainly apply those based on the toolbar, the filter, 3D effects, anything that you like. And if you had custom audio, just click the custom audio button. That will allow you to bring in that audio. I believe that we're done with this video. We could add an additional end card. Let's go ahead and do that. We will just copy, Control V, and let's go ahead. We will want to edit text. Thanks for watching. Change the background color, and I believe we'll go with yellow gold. Let's change this. Looks good. Once we're ready, let's go ahead, click finish video. And you'll be able to change or modify the quality of the video based on the size as well as the definition that you like the video to be produced in. Let's go ahead. I'm going to check 720p. Go ahead, export. And we will call that test 01. Put that to our desktop. I'll be right back after this exports. And right after it exports, it will automatically play. You'll be able to see your produced video.